Hi guys, this is Advitya. Since I spend a lot of time in front of the computer screen, I wanted to upgrade my monitor to a more wider, sleek and a functional one. I came across this BenQ GW 2480 24-inch IK monitor on my hunt for the best monitors. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I'd like to tell you some of its features. The package includes the monitor in black, a 1.5 meter long cable, an HDMI cable, a CD, a user manual and a quick search guide to get you started. This frameless monitor has a 23.8 inches wide Full HD screen. It is also available in 22 inches width and 27 inches width. It has been thoughtfully designed with an invisible cable management system that hides all the wires inside the monitor for a clean look. In addition, it features an edge-to-edge IPS panel with ultra-slim bezels and a sculpted stand, giving it a sophisticated look. The monitor comes equipped with an exclusive IKTN technology along with low blue light technology and flicker-free performance. These technologies combined provide the ultimate comfort to your eyes, reducing eye fatigue and irritation even after several hours of screen time. Overall, this monitor scores well on functionality and design, and after using it for 2 weeks, it feels like a great upgrade.